Hi, I'm Kim. I'm the creative director of my family's business, Perry's Home Furnishings and Design. What a joy it is to be invited back to someone's home. We are now in a beautiful post and beam barn that was a dream of somebody's to elevate into a space that they could share with their family, with their friends, with their neighbors. A place that has become reimagined. Every piece in here was very intentional. It has a story, a collected space, as we like to say. This is what a space is all about. Have you been thinking about a room that hasn't been updated in 15, 20 years and you don't even want to walk into it? People come to us all the time with ideas, thoughts, but they're afraid, they're lacking the confidence to pull it all together. How do we get started? The process is really simple. It's a phone call, it's a stop into the shop, it's an email. You connect with one of our designers. We'll schedule an in-home visit. We'll take measurements, take photos, learn about how you use the spaces, what you like, what you don't like. If there's some piece of pottery, if there's a favorite rug, a piece of art, something that is really important to you that is kind of a jumping off point. We'd love to hear about those objects. So once we've been to your home, we go back to the design studio, and from there we build out your space in our 3D design. We've taken every measurement from all of the floor measurements to the walls, to the ceiling, the windows, to capture your space. So the next step is we invite you into our showroom where we have a beautiful design studio on the second floor. We all sit down at the table. We open up our 3D program where we've intentionally designed your space. When we come through that front door, there's no question about it. It feels like your room. People are amazed at how that works. Windows are in the right place, the ceiling is the right height, any existing items that you shared with us that you love, any collectibles that are really important to you, that artwork, we're gonna add that to the walls. So when we begin to add area rugs, textile materials, a certain style sofa that you fell in love with, all of those details that we're going to figure out together, those are gonna be in the room. Maybe you're going to explore our showroom. We often call it a field trip, where we're going to leave the design studio and walk around our showroom and have you do a sit test, kind of the Goldilocks opportunity of finding just the right piece for you. And we're going to send you home with images of that so you can remember, oh, that's where that was going to go. Oh, that's so different than what I have right now. I think that's really going to work out well. We're going to want you to sleep on all the information. And then we're gonna get those items ordered. We're gonna make sure everything's coming through in the time we expected and move on to the exciting installment phase. So now you've been patient, you've been waiting, you've been excited about receiving all the new items, the new look and feel for your room. And we are excited to make that call where everything's arrived and we're going to schedule that installation. We're going to come to your home. We're going to arrange everything as we did in the 3D program. There might be some tweaks here and there, but we're going to put it all together and we're going to make it look just beautiful. And knowing you and how we've worked together, we're going to make it be just what you've dreamed about. And when it's all set and ready to go, we're going to invite you into the space and reveal it to you. There's always excitement and giddiness and laughter, and it's such a joyous part of the process for us. Are you ready to get started?